Hi, I'm Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at the 2017 Harris 250 Solstice. The 250 Solstice features a sterling gray exterior. It has an overall length of 26 feet 9 inches, 102-inch beam, a fuel capacity of 40 gallons, and it seats 13 persons. This model is also equipped with the Vantage Protection Guard, which is an awesome product that protects the tunes against dinks and dents and keeps your tunes looking new. It is fitted with a 250 horsepower Mercury Pro engine. It has a 4-step ladder in the rear, which has a large swim platform merged into it. It also has a tow bar to pull your skiers and tubers. Here's a picture of the 2 aft seating lounges, which have fold-down armrests. There is plenty of storage underneath the seats as well. Here is just one of the 6 Polk Diamond speakers aboard this vessel. The co-captain seat is a perfect place to sit back and enjoy the ride. It also has a radio control on the dash. The captain's area is set up with the upgraded dash. It has a Polk audio player, and it has chrome waterproof toggle switches for all the accessories. This model also comes with the LED courtesy lighting and LED lighting for cup holders. There is a large storage area underneath the port side co-captain seat, perfect for life jackets or carry-on bags. This model is furnished with a changing room with curtain, which is perfect for getting your swimsuits on and off. It also has a storage area in the floor, perfect for skis. The bow features 2 lounge seats that have fold-down armrests. There is a large amount of storage under the seats as well. The flooring is Infinity woven flooring. It's both easy on the feet and easy to clean. This boat seats 13 persons or 1,800 pounds. Once again, I'm Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Thanks for checking out the video on the 2017 Harris 250 Solstice. Come out and see us anytime and I'll show you around.